All right, here we go. First person is Eric. I promise you my eyes are closed, Eric. All right, Eric. That's funny. This was going to be my first question anyway. Eric, could you please tell us the state of matter? I got you, Joe. Okay. Please tell us the state of matter where the particles are loosely packed together and they can flow, glide, roll over each other.
Bruh, this was the one I got wrong, right?
I know. So that's
that would be liquid.
Yes, it is liquid. Thank you very much. Good job.
Okay.
I thought it was funny. Okay, Denison, will you be able to type in an answer? Do you want me to go ahead and give you yours so you can be out, Denison? Like, so you can focus at your... I'm going to give you one. You just put it in the chat for me, okay? All right, Denison, can you tell me the state of matter where the particles are tightly packed together and they just vibrate in place? They are very tightly packed together and they vibrate in place. If you can type that one for me. Yes, so I was saying, what state of matter are the particles super tight together, like they're up on each other, and they just vibrate in place? So we've already used liquid, so it's not liquid. So you got two states of matter left. Which one do you think it is? Very nice. So Jenelson said solid, so that is correct. All right, next person. Here. That is Dominic. All right, Dominic, here is your question. Your question is, please tell me I need a good one for you, Dominic. Let's see. You were giving me all that extra information yesterday. All right, Johnson, please tell me, I'm trying to think of a good one. The phase change that goes where if you heat a solid, it goes directly to a gas. So you heat a solid and it turns directly into a gas. Phase change.
Sublimation.
Very nice, Dominic. Sublimation is correct. All right. Next person is here. That's Ced. All right, Cedric. Your question is, I've made an observation. This is a silver cup. It is a silver cup. Is that a physical or a chemical property? This is a silver cup.
Physical.
Thank you. Very nice. That is a physical property. All right. Right here. Faith. Are you there, Faith?
Yes.
Okay. All right, Faith. Your question is, please tell me the state of matter where if I lose heat, I will go from a liquid to a solid. If I lose heat, I will go from a liquid to a solid.
Freezing.
Freezing, correct. Correctamundo, fantastic. All right. Oh, I already went to Dominic. Next person. Brandon, here's yours. All right, Brandon. Your question is, okay, you're driving down the street. Okay, and you see this yard that has a whole bunch of old cars, and all the cars are rusty. They're falling apart. There's a lot of rust. Okay, the ability to rust, is that a physical or a chemical property? Rusting. Oh, I was making sure Brandon was still there. Brandon, you there? Is he not even here? All right. We'll come back to him. We'll see if he's here. I'll make a note. Cameron, do you want to try that one? So you see a bunch of cars, they're all rusty. The ability to rust, is that a physical or chemical property?
Chemical.
That is chemical. Thank you very much. Okay. All right. Fisher. All right. If dew on the grass or water on the side of my cup, such as this. Ooh, that was really wet. Could you tell me what that is an example of? What phase change?
Condensation.
Condensation. Very good. All right. You guys are too good at this. Let me think of something. I need something hard. I need a good one. I need to think of one hard. Let's see. Let me look at my notes here. Okay. This question is for, I got a good one. Okay. So I don't know who it's going to be. Let's see. John, are you there? Oh, are you in your mom's classroom, John? Can you type in the chat box or can you unmute? Okay. Can you type it so you can type in the chat box? Okay, John. This state of matter, this state of matter does not have a defined volume nor a defined shape. So the shape nor the volume is defined. Or you can say the shape and the volume both change. Very nice, Gas, good job. All right, let me think of one more. Let's see. All right. This one goes to Miss Jamie. Are you there, Miss Jamie?
I'm here.
All righty. Okay, Jamie, I would like to know the phase change that if you add heat, it will go from a liquid to a gas. Liquid to a gas if you add heat.
Evaporation.
Very nice. Jamie said evaporation. Who haven't I called on? Ariana, do you know another word we could use instead of evaporation? And Joe, you can tell me another word in the chat that we can use instead of evaporation.
Is it condensation? Or no? I don't know.
Nope, it sounds, one of them sounds like evaporation. Joe, you're telling me the other one. So there's two different words. So Ariana and Joe, you guys can tell me. So Jamie said evaporation. What's two other ways we could say it? I'll give you guys a hint. One starts with a V. The other one starts with a B. B as in boy. And then I got one more question. Joe, are you there? No, Joe? Oh. All right. So Joe and Ariana are trying to figure out, anybody got one of them? One starts with a V, one starts with a B. Miss Whitney, what you got?
Evaporation. Vaporization.
Vaporization, very nice. That's one. And then did anybody, Irving, very nice. Boiling, awesome. The other one is boiling, very nice. All right, last question, very last question. And this one's gonna go to, who haven't I called on? I think I've called on everybody. Isaiah, I think you're the only person I haven't called on.
You called on me already.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. It was earlier.
No, I did not. All right, Isaiah, this is your question, but if you don't know it, actually, this is a good question to have because this question, I can see either way people missing it because I'm asking this because so many people have missed this question. So if you get it right, it's like fantastic. If you get it wrong, it's like most people did. Okay. All right. Here's your question. So you can at least give me an answer because I'm going to give you answer choices. All right. Isaiah. Dissolving. So that's like me putting sugar in water and stirring it and it disappearing. Okay. Or salt, whatever. Dissolving. Is that a physical or a chemical change? So those are your options. It's either a physical change or a chemical change. So you can pick. Go with your gut. Now, Isaiah, I know you're there because you just finished talking to us. You got to pick.
Chemical.
Say again?
Chemical.
Chemical. All right. And this is why I asked that, because most people tell me it is chemical. So it's actually physical. Okay. And so don't feel bad about getting that wrong. I asked that one last because that was the most missed question on the quiz. Okay. Dissolving is a physical change. Okay. So, and it's because you're not really creating anything new. If I put salt in water and I stir it, I really just have salty water. I can still taste the water. I can still taste the salt, okay? So today we're gonna talk more about chemical changes so you can see the difference between a chemical change and a physical change. All right, so now you should have your notes out. We're about to take notes for the rest of class. It's only like another 20 minutes. And then we'll be done for the day, okay? All right, so pull out your notes. Make sure you're taking notes. You guys are doing good though. I had earlier somebody, they were jamming to their music. They couldn't even tell me the 3 states of matter. I was like, whoa, where are we coming from?